Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add return policy on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your Wix websites. So right now, go ahead and hover your mouse over the sites you want to add the return policy to, and then you're gonna find select and edit site. Go ahead and click on it, and then you're gonna be here in your dashboard. So once you're here in the dashboard, go to the left, and then here you're gonna find all of these sections, and then here in the bottom you're gonna find the option to edit your site. Go ahead and click on it, and then you're gonna be taken to this tab right here. So basically, guys, this is gonna be the editor for Wix. Once you're here in the editor, right here in the left, as you can see, guys, you're gonna find the option to add elements. You can add sections, pages and menus, site design. You can add applications. Right here, you're gonna find my business, media, and lastly, CMS. So right now, what you need to do, guys, is add a new page. First of all, go ahead and click on pages and menu, and then we're gonna go to site menu, and then I'm gonna go and click on add menu item. Then I'm going to choose add a new page, and then I'm gonna start a normal blank page. So right now, make sure you are in that page. You can name it also. For example, I'm gonna name it return policy like this, and then click on done. So right now, you can actually choose where you want to place it. So for example, I'm going to place it right here or here under contact. And then I'm going to go back right here. So right now, you can basically add a text element. Click on add element, then click on text, choose which text style you want to work with. For example, this one, click on it, then choose where you want to place it. And then you can basically type or paste your return policy right here. And then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.